How is it going, ladies and gents, and all the crypto enthusiasts out there? I just wanted to make a quick update on my NFT trading journey. I started trading like 2-3 months ago. I have to say, in the past 2 weeks since my last video, the NFT market's been really slow and I wasn't able to sell too much, but I was able to get my hands on a couple of good NFTs and pieces, so I will guide you through them. Let's get started. If we go on my profile and go on my activity, we click on sales only, you can see that since my last video I was able to flip, buy and sell this art blocks NFT, as you can see from the variations collection. Actually, I was able to flip it in 1 day, so as you can see, on the same day I bought it for this price and I almost made 0.1 ETH on it, so that's pretty good for one. The second, I sold this from Stellar Geometries NFT. I have to say that this was my very first negative trade that ended up with the loss. I had it for 35 days and I wasn't able to sell it, and the price was decreasing a lot, so I decided to sell it instantly. So far I made 16 trades on OpenSea and our total profit now is 0.657 Ethereum. I was able to get my hands on a VeeFriends slot. I will show you right now. If I go on my other wallet, I have it right here. I bought this for 177 ETH and I'm willing to sell this for 1819. If we go on the collection, you can see that this is one of the cheapest ones right now in the collection. Actually, this was the cheapest one from the rare with the iron background, so to say, but now someone listed one for under my price, but I'm not gonna cut my price for now. I will wait a couple of more days and see what happens. And if we go back on the others that I was able to get, I got this scribbled NFT. As you can see, I bought it for 0.24 and I'm willing to sell it for almost 0.3 ETH. If we go on the collection, this is also in the art blocks collection. As you can see, mine is the cheapest one so far, so anyone wants to buy an NFT from this collection and he wants to buy it instantly, it makes sense to go for mine. As you can see, the floor price is quite different from the second most expensive piece. I got 3 from the Crypto Blots collection. I already traded a couple of from this collection, and as you can see, I bought this for 1.8 and I'm trying to sell it for 0.22 almost, and also we hope someone takes ours. And also I bought this one because this is more special. As you can see, it's says it's binary crypto bot, so it has two colors, and if someone wants to buy a 2-colored one, mine is also the cheapest option. And if we go on this trade that I was talking about, there are only 111 pieces from the tricolored one, ternary crypto blot, and I also bought one. This is mine actually. I bought it for 0.38 ETH and I was really happy with this deal. So if I cannot sell it right now, I just keep it for the long term, for the next bull run on the NFT market, because I'm pretty sure that this one will worth a lot in the future, because it's even more limited than just the normal crypto blocks. And actually this collection is from the Art Blocks Series 1 collection, so this is like from the OG original one. If we go on sansa.xyz, we can explore it. If you go on explore and go on Art Blocks Curated Series 1, as you can see there are only 6 NFTs from the Series 1, and CryptoBlots is one of them. This is more accessible for everyone compared to the other ones because they are over 1 ETH. So actually, just have a last look. Yeah, I also had this other NFT from the Art Blocks collection. I bought it around 1.2 and I'm willing to sell it for 1.85. The liquidity is not that great in this collection, but let's hope someone will take ours. This is from the Curated Series 2 collection. That was my quick recap on my trading journey. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more interesting content like this. See you guys next time for the next episode.